All right, really quickly, we're going to go over the laws of exponents as a review. So this first problem, we're going to simplify. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my fraction bar. And we got to move our negative exponent. So the only one we have is x to the negative 3. So 7 stays on the top. Negative rule, opposite side. So we're moving him to the bottom, and he becomes positive. Everything else is positive exponents, so we're going to keep them where they are. And so now we can simplify using the product rule. So when we're multiplying, we add our exponents. So we have 2 plus 3, so we have y to the 5th on top. And then we have 3 plus 2, which is also 5, so x to the 5th, z to the 5th on bottom. And then we can't simplify any further because these are all different variables. Okay, down here we're multiplying. So we got to multiply all of our coefficients first. So 3 times 4 times 5 times 2. Well, 3 times 4 is 12, and 5 times 2 is 10. 12 times 10 is 120. And then with our exponents, we add them. So if there's no exponent, it's a 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So I have x to the third. And then 1 plus 2 for the y's, y to the third. So 120, x to the third, y to the third. Okay, negative exponent. So again, whenever we have a negative rule, it goes to the opposite side. So x to the negative 3 is going to the opposite side. It goes to the bottom and becomes positive. Z gets to stay on bottom because there's something, he doesn't have a negative exponent, and then we put 1 as our placeholder on top. And then we can't simplify, so we're done. Okay, 15 divided by 5, we're going to simplify to 3. Y divided by y is 1. They cancel each other out. And then my z's, we're dividing, so we subtract the exponents. 3 minus 2 is 1, so just 1z. So our answer is 3z. Okay, power rule. So remember, power rule, we multiply our exponents. So this 2 is not in parentheses, so we're going to leave it on the outside. And then this 2 times the exponent of 1, so I have 3 to the power of 2, or 3 squared. And then 3 times 2 is 6, so I have y to the 6. Well, 3 squared is 9, and 2 times 9 is 18, so I have 18y to the 6. Okay? All right, this last one is our rational rule. So 3 over 7 is to the power of x. It's not applied to the 4. So the 4 gets to stay out in front. And we're going to have the 7th root of x to the third. And that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me or Coach Gwen, and we will get back to you as soon as we can.